The cache file type is temporary data stored by a browser or app to run faster. It doesn't contain documents you can open. You can usually delete these safely. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's clean up space. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for cache files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. The cache file extension is a generic designation for temporary data storage used by various applications and web browsers. These files store frequently accessed information, such as images, scripts, and other web assets, to speed up loading times and reduce bandwidth usage. Regularly clearing the cache can improve performance and free up storage space. Cache files are typically organized in a directory structure specific to the application or browser that created them. The format of the data within the cache file varies widely depending on the type of content being stored. Cache management involves algorithms for determining which data to store and when to evict older or less frequently used items. For cache, the most reliable approach is to try browser or app cleanup first. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows stores temp files in system folders that cleanup tools frequently scan. The solution is often a compatibility match. Right-click the cache file and select Open With. If browser and app cleanup is installed, test it now. If not, choose another application. Every app handles errors differently. If your cache file isn't cooperating, don't worry. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of 3 standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, identify source. Determine the associated program, browser, operating system, or application that created the cache file based on the file's folder location. Next, clear cache via program. Use the program's built-in settings, Ctrl-Shift-Delete in browsers, settings, apps, and Android to clear the cache. Finally, check for deletion. Recognize that cache files are temporary files and can usually be deleted safely by a file manager. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.